Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The wait is finally over. Garmin has officially announced the FENIX 8 series, sending shockwaves of excitement throughout the fitness and tech communities. With a rumored release date of August 27th, the anticipation is palpable. In this in-depth video, we'll meticulously dissect the leaked details, shedding light on the potential features, design, and pricing of this revolutionary smartwatch series. From advanced health monitoring and enhanced GPS capabilities to sleek new designs and user-friendly interfaces, we'll explore every aspect of the FENIX 8 series. We'll examine the rumored features, such as improved battery life, music storage, and stress tracking, and discuss how they'll impact your fitness journey. Additionally, we'll delve into the design and display upgrades, including new color options and customizable watch faces. Finally, we'll speculate on the pricing strategy and how it will position the FENIX 8 series in the market. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Garmin's latest masterpiece and discover how it will redefine the wearable technology landscape. The infinity symbol, a hint at the future. Garmin's tantalizing teaser video has ignited a frenzy of speculation, captivating the attention of tech enthusiasts and fitness aficionados alike. At the center of the intrigue lies an enigmatic infinity symbol, cleverly woven into the video's narrative. This subtle yet poignant detail has led many to decipher its meaning, with a prevailing consensus emerging. The symbol is in fact a stylized representation of the number 8. This astute observation has fueled widespread speculation that the forthcoming series will indeed bear the moniker FENIX 8. The infinity symbol's sleek, curved design, resembling the numeral 8, when viewed from a particular angle, has convinced many that Garmin is hinting at the series name through clever visual misdirection. As the anticipation builds, one thing is certain: Garmin's deliberate use of symbolism has masterfully piqued the interest of fans worldwide, setting the stage for a groundbreaking unveiling. Event details. Mark your calendars. The official launch event is scheduled for August 27th, with different timings for various regions. Whether you're in Central Europe, the UK, or the Eastern Time Zone, there's a time slot that suits you. Don't miss out on this major reveal. Rumors and speculations. What to expect? The leaks have been plentiful, and some of the rumored features include enhanced solar technology, expect longer battery life, and improved performance in outdoor conditions. Built-in microphones. This could enable voice commands, hands-free calls, and more. Choice of screens, rumored to include both AMOLED and MIP screens, giving users flexibility in choosing the display that best suits their needs. Pricing and availability. While the exact pricing hasn't been confirmed, the FENIX 8 is expected to start at around $100 or $999. This suggests that Garmin is positioning the series as a premium smartwatch with advanced features and cutting-edge technology. The big reveal. What will Garmin unveil? The big question on everyone's mind is whether Garmin will unveil all three models, FENIX 8, FENIX E, and Enduro 3, at the launch event. With so many exciting features and enhancements rumored, the anticipation is building. Stay tuned for more updates. As we get closer to the official launch, we can expect more leaks and details to emerge. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis of the Garmin FENIX 8 series. Forthcoming Garmin FENIX 8 series is generating immense excitement, promising a seismic shift in the smartwatch market. This eagerly anticipated release is expected to seamlessly merge innovative features, sophisticated design, and premium pricing, thereby captivating a diverse audience of fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados. Rumored features such as enhanced health monitoring, advanced GPS capabilities, and improved battery life are poised to solidify the FENIX 8 series as a benchmark for excellence. The sleek, refined design will undoubtedly appeal to those valuing aesthetics, while cutting-edge technology will satiate the desires of tech-savvy individuals. The premium pricing strategy. Garmin is confidently positioning the FENIX 8 series as a top-tier offering, poised to rival the industry's most esteemed smartwatch. As the official launch approaches, anticipation builds, and the question on everyone's mind is, will Garmin deliver on the hype? One thing is certain: the FENIX 8 series has the potential to revolutionize the smartwatch landscape, and its impact will be felt across the industry. Stay tuned for the official unveiling and witness the dawn of a new era in wearable technology.